Well, hello guys, today's tutorial is about Christmas, and as you can see I started to make some Christmas decoration using crochet, as the point of my channel is mostly crochet, so I thought maybe you can enjoy some small DIY Christmas decorations that you can do by yourself. Okay, yes, so I was really curious to do this little elf. And it's very easy to do. I used acrylic, and I used the white color and this pinkish one for the face, and also I used a 3mm hook, because with this kind of yarn it goes very well with 3mm hook. So let's just get into it. But before that, I just want to invite you to subscribe if you are new and you like the content of my channel, and give me a thumbs up. Follow me in social media. I am everywhere, Instagram and Facebook. Also, you can check my small Etsy shop for tapestry crochet patterns and mochila patterns. Yeah, so okay, let's just get into it. Then you are still going to work with a single crochet on each stitch, but we are not going to insert the hook at the first hole that we have here. Maybe you can see it here, you will have a small hole, but I'm not going to insert the hook here, but at the next one. And then I'm going to do on both loops, of course, and then I'm going to do a single crochet. Okay, so like this I have cancelled one stitch because I will go up and I need to slowly decrease the stitches. Okay, so then I will just continue with a single crochet. Okay, I will continue single crochet on all the loops all the way back until the before last stitch there. I will change color. So the last two loops, I'm not going to close with the white color, but I'm gonna pick the pink one and I will close them with a pink color, okay? So now I change color. This is a technique used in tapestry crochet, so yeah. Okay, so at the end of round number 4, you must have 16 stitches. And then just do the same, but now with a pink color. So 1 chain stitch, turn your work on this side. And if you can, just put also the white color from this side in between the loop and the line here. So you just work underneath with the white color, okay? So we can hide it because we need to use the white again later on, okay? So now once we did the chain stitch, put over the white yarn and we will tuck it underneath, and then we are going to work again single crochet. We don't insert the hook at the first stitch here, but at the second one, same as we did with the previous rows, and just do a single crochet stitch and keep working with the pink color single crochet stitch all the way until the before last stitch. Okay, so I'm doing the last stitch here, but I'm not going to catch up the chain here at the end. I will have 15 stitches left until the end, okay? Because I cancelled one on this side. Okay, so again, 1 chain stitch, turn your work like this, and then again put the white yarn in between the loop and the yarn you are working, because we need to hide it underneath. Okay, and just continue with the same logic. Insert the hook, not at the first hole, but at the second one. Single crochet stitch, then keep working with a single crochet stitch and with the white yarn underneath. Okay, so at the end of the second row with the pink color, you must have 14 stitches, and then again 1 chain stitch, turn your work like this, turn your work, and then put the white yarn in between the loop and the pink yarn that you are working with, and then insert the hook not at the first one but at the second stitch and single crochet. We will do the same again the third row of the pink color, just single crochet all the way. At the end you must have 13 stitches, and now we are going to do the fourth and the last row with the pink color. So again, 1 chain stitch, turn your work, and then insert the white yarn in between the loop and the pink yarn, and keep working with a single crochet. Insert the hook not at the first stitch but at the second one, and keep working. 1. The last stitch, you have to leave the pink color and take the white one and close this last 2 loops with the white color, because next we are going to work with the white color, okay? Okay, another thing that I want to make a note, if once in a while you have a 1 stitch less or so, it doesn't really matter. Important is that you keep the shape, the triangular shape, okay? Okay, so let's just continue, and we will do the same with the white yarn until we close the whole stitches and we are left with just 1 stitch. So this one here, the pink color, I'm still going to tuck it underneath 1 more row, so I am more safe, okay? Because if I leave it and I cut it here, it will be loose, this stitch over here, and it's not gonna look very nice. So let's have 1 chain stitch, turn your work like this, and we start to do the rows with the white color now, and then just put your pink yarn over the loop and the white yarn that you are working with. Okay, so now we're just going to work on the way back, and we're just going to do the same thing, and insert the hook not at the first chain at the first stitch, but at the second one, and do a single crochet stitch. So we are just going to work like this, single crochet stitch, until we are left with just one stitch at the top. Okay, and of course you close one stitch here, and you don't catch the very last stitch over here. Okay, so like this you can decrease your stitches. So I did my first row with the white color after the pink, which is the 9th row in total. So here I have 10 stitches and I didn't calculate this one. Okay, so I will just keep decreasing. Another thing that I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut the yarn here because I don't need this yarn anymore, the pink one. I will just leave some. Okay, I will just keep working now with the white color, just one chain, turn your work, and then insert single crochet, insert the hook not at the first one but at the second stitch, and do single crochet all the way until the end. You will do this until you decrease all your stitches and you are left with just one stitch. Just one stitch. Let me do a small recap. So I have in total 18 rows. The last one has just one stitch. The 18th row has just one stitch over here. So I started with 20 and I ended up, after the 18th row, I ended up with just one stitch up here. Okay, and then the next thing I'm gonna do, just one chain stitch and pull some yarn like this and cut. This is your front side and this is your back side, and you can see that because here you have the 4 rows mixed with the white rows, the 4 pink rows mixed with the white 4 rows. Okay, so you want them divided, so you will have exactly 4 rows with the white and exactly 4 rows with the pink. Okay, so this is the front side. Okay, so at this point we have finished with the crocheting, and then we are just going to do some small decorations and do the eyes and the nose and things like that. Okay, so for the nose, as you can see from here, it's a very small pom-pom. So you just take some yarn, roll it over your fingers. Okay, and we are done. The next thing that we are going to do is just attach here a small jute or yarn, whatever, and then it's ready to hang. This was the tutorial. I hope you liked it, and I hope you are going to give me a thumbs up and follow me on social media, and also I will see you on my next tutorial. Tschüss!